It's a sunny day, so I decided to take a short break from my work and come to Raffles Marina country clubs for photo shooting. Let's start. Setting up my tripod and camera now. Using my digital spirit level to level the camera. Standing by my Raffles LED spot meter and ground glass loop for the photo shooting. Using the dark cloth so that I can view the image in the camera clearly in order to compose the image I want. However, it's a windy day, so I got some difficulty in covering the dark cloth on the camera. Now, I'm using the Raffles LED spot meter to meter the scenes. I meter the shadow area pointed by the arrow and place it at the zone 4. This gives me an aperture f32 and shutter speed of 1/60 second. I'm going to add a pre-stock red color filter, hopefully to make the sky darker. Doing the max now. By adding the red filter, I need to stop now the shutter speed by pre-stock. That will result a 1/8 second of exposure time. Now, I need to set the aperture and the new shutter speed on the lens. I need to make sure the lens is cropped and the preview is closed, and I will be inserting the film back into the camera. Now I will be taking out the dark slide and prepare for the shooting. I insert back the dark slide and take out the film back. Now I'll move to the next location for the second shot. As usual, using the dark cloth to help in viewing the image for composing. This is the digital spirit level I use to level my camera. Using the spot meter, I meter the door at the bottom of the lighthouse as a shadow and place it at zone 3. This gives me f45 and shutter speed 1/30 second. For these scenes, I will add a 10 stop ND filter to take a long exposure. I need to recalculate the new shutter speed due to the 10 stop ND filter, which gives me 30 seconds of total exposure time. However, that is not enough because we also need to take care of the film reciprocity filter. So by adding the film reciprocity filters, we need a total exposure time of 75 seconds. Now, I need to ensure the lens is cropped, the preview level is closed, and the shutter speed set to bulk mode. Now I'm going to insert the frame back to the camera and prepare for the shooting. If you notice, long exposure resulting a finer grain in the picture. Complete the second shot. That's all for today. Now packing up and go home. It's hot here. Go!